you can't see me. You're just my silhouette. Somebody asked me recently in one of the comments, where do you live that the sun comes up at 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the morning? Well, I don't live that far north, near Winnipeg, Canada. It is almost 11 o'clock in the evening, at night, and the camera is pointing directly north. And you can see the glow in the northern sky. And that glow will move along, and the cats are playing on the deck, along to the east. And in about 4 hours, then it'll start to get really bright in the northeastern sky. And about 4:30, that sun will begin to come up over the horizon. This is the 21st of June, solstice, longest day of the year. So that's where I live. There you can just see my silhouette here. See, I can wave. But that's what it's like to live in a northern place, and we're not that far north. We are not that far north here. You don't have to go too much farther north for it to be very, very bright at this time of year. The days will start to get shorter from here on in until the 21st of December. 21st of December, the sun comes up about 9 o'clock in the morning, and it goes down about 4 in the afternoon. That's depressing. Anyway, I just thought I would make that, since someone seemed to be interested in, where I live, that the sun comes up so early. Nearly 11 o'clock at night. And look how bright that northern sky is. Have a good night.